Hello, guys. It is Kate again. I am back with the Earn Network, your favorite and the leading DeFi marketplace for all your crypto investments. We are dedicated to helping everybody earn yield on your favorite tokens and NFTs. We're backed by leading investors such as Kronos Labs, DFG, Mars DAO, Shima Capital, Miranda Bixen, LD Capital, GTS, and we've also partnered with many prominent projects to create staking pools for their community. As of right now, we are supporting over 80 assets. We have a total of 6,000 plus stakers on our platform. You guys have earned over $900,000 in rewards so far. And thanks to you guys, our platform has reached a remarkable 4.2 million in staked value. One of the assets on which you can earn yield on that I want to show you today is Coq Inu. Let's scroll down and find it. Click view all. Should be somewhere towards the bottom. Okay, click view. And now we are in the Coq Inu staking pool where we will start our staking journey. Remember, by staking COG or any other token or coin, you are able to earn multiple rewards across various chains. The first thing we have to do is connect our wallet. Click on MetaMask. And now in the performance section, we can see the available balance of tokens that we have. So I have 1,000 COG tokens available, which I am able to stake and earn rewards on. If we scroll down, we can see which rewards we can earn by staking this token. We have 4 over here. You guys can expand all these tabs for yourself and read all the information you need to know if you would like to earn the specific reward. Scroll back up. Down here, you can enter the amount you wish to stake. Click max if you would like to stake all of your available tokens. Let's do 250 today. And up here we have the lockup period. The longer your lockup period, the more rewards you will earn towards the end. You can choose from these preset dates or use this green slider and choose the exact amount of days you wish to lock up for. Let's choose the preset one, 45 days. And down here in the rewards summary, you can see the rewards that you will earn. Okay, let's click stake and confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. Okay, we have successfully staked 250 tokens and now they are safely earning on the smart contract. Remember, you can only perform these transactions yourself. You are in charge. Okay, now on the performance section, you can see your staked amount has changed. You have your redemption date. Once your lockup period is up, you will have your rewards. If you scroll back down, you can see the reward statuses have all changed to earning. So we are already earning on our staked tokens. Wonderful. Scroll back up, and again on the right side, if you would like to stake more tokens or extend your lockup period, you can do so right here. If you would like to unstake your tokens for any crazy reason, you can also do that right here. For a full guide, head on over to our white paper linked in the description to this video. Of course, we do not advise you to unstake, but stake more, of course, and then claim once your lockup period is up. You can claim your rewards right over here. Head on over to your dashboard by clicking this button up here and my investments, and you can see all of your staked tokens nicely displayed for you. And if you click view, you can go back to each staking pool as you wish. Now let's go back to the main page And once again, check out all of these top crypto gems we have for you. Remember, each asset offers unique single asset staking opportunities not available elsewhere. Start today and unlock the full potential of earning on your digital assets with us, the Earn Network. Don't hesitate, head on over, guys. Hope this guide helped you a little bit. If you do have further questions, please click this little green gumdrop and you can contact our customer service. Send us a quick message, any questions, thoughts, concerns you have, or if you just want to have a chat about something, everything is welcome. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see everybody in the next video. Have a wonderful day.